I go like this, you're gonna be able to go more this way. Easy, right? Mm-hmm. I go this way, get stuck right there, right?
Yes.
A lot of the headaches, the vertigo, and the neck pain that's in there because this has happened since you sit down at a computer all the time. Maybe you can help me out, okay? Mm-hmm. Can you bend this way? Try to bend this way. See how much you can bend? That's about it, huh?
Yes.
There it is. Take your time. That was a lot.
I saw my curvature going. Ooh. Yes, I can see.
Yeah, that was insane.
I was like, I lost my vision for a second. Whew. That's good.
Yeah, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're okay.
Thank you.